Hi, how to turn a strategically risky position into the winning in just few moves. Emanuel Lasker, the second world chess champion, knows the way. And in this video, we will uncover his strategy in details, and you will learn this and use in your games. Don't skip this extremely useful for your chess skills video. My name is PavelChess and welcome you to my YouTube channel, and let's start. In this position, Emanuel Lasker played with white against Frank Marshall, and basically his position looks really dangerous. The knight on h4 is out of the game, unfortunately, and black needs just one move to fix everything. Like for instance, if white will do a calm stuff like king b1, after the long castle, everything looks great for black. They will go like h5, bishop h6 or bishop g7. They have pair of bishops, really great position. Only white can be bad here in this situation. And Emanuel Lasker, I suppose, had a feeling of this strategical danger, and he decided to play more active and more like in a dynamic way. So queen goes b5, a good move, attacking two pawns at the same time and unlocking the way to the bishop. Castle long looks very good for black because knight takes d5 would be a very huge mistake. It's like a tactical blunder. After bishop takes b5, queen d5, you can even stop the position and try to find the winning move for black. And I will show this move. The move is queen g5 check. The two pieces are under attack. And after queen takes g5, h g5, unfortunately it's the pin and the knight is wasted completely. So be careful, tactics always should be counted. After the long castle returning back, it looks like here is protected, that is protected, but queen goes e5. Uncomfortable move, a7 is hanging, and white starting an attack from the place, really. After a6, a kind of a logical move to protect the pawn, white has amazing bishop takes a6, a typical sacrifice to demolish the king's position and start an attack. And here Marshall decided to accept the challenge. Better was maybe to play something like c6. Okay, black without the pawn, but they still have a pair of bishops. They can count on some like compensation, but honestly white's better here. But after b takes a6, queen a6 check, king b8, knight goes b5. We already want to go queen a7 check and queen c7 checkmate. So knight b6 looks like the only one because the knight protects the a8 and the queen protects the c7. And here rook goes d3. The rook coming to the game. I want to go rook b3 and make more pressure to that king. And basically these three pieces are against the king, who is protected by the only one knight, and we have a domination in the attacking power, and we can really play without these pieces. A rare case in chess, but that happens when these two pieces are out of the game for the moment, but because we have more power here than the defending side, we are doing a very great game. So queen g5 was in the game, king b1, bishop g6, just rook b3. We are coming to attack. Rook a8, black trying to move their own pieces as well, but a4, just a4, a very nice move. I want to go a5 to put the pressure to that knight and basically to unlock the way to the rook, to the king of black. And as well I'm doing a window just to be sure in that position. Multifunctional move that brings a winning position for white, honestly. So black tried bishop f5, knight a7. Right now basically I want to go knight c6 checkmate in one. So bishop d7 looks the only one, a5. The knight on b6 is wasted. We're taking back the piece. We're saving the attack and we're destroying the last defender of the black's king. I mean the knight on b6. So and after like queen d2 takes rook e1, Lasker decided to play here amazingly king a2. Even no one cares about rook takes h1. It's not danger because I can capture, double check, capture, queen b7 mate. So black tried to play after king a2 c6, but after knight b5, it's like several ways to finish the game, but Lasker decided to play knight b5, queen a7, queen a8 is the idea as well. So c takes b5, and after queen a7, Frank Marshall resigned because king c8, check, block, and checkmate in one. So white won that game with an amazing attack just that started from the place. Really amazing strategy. Take this to your ground And I hope that with help of that strategies and the others that you will find on my YouTube channel, you will win more games. See you soon with the new videos.